Alrighty guys, I'm going to get straight on with it. So another video where it didn't quite turn out the way I wanted. I think the best face was this one, and even then it's not that great, and I just don't think it was a great afternoon after all the drawings that I'd done earlier on. I don't know whether it's because I'm tired or I'm just choosing something that was just a little bit too out of my comfort zone and also my skill level at the moment. I am trying, and I'm trying to see the shapes within the actual subject, so it's not to say that I'm not going to go back to this, but I will try another point maybe in a week where I've got more confidence and more skills being created. So I'll just get on with it. This is going to be a super short one because I did actually stop drawing for 2 out of the 3 purely because I just couldn't salvage them. So the first one, the proportions weren't right in the arm. I do feel that arm, sorry, lost my train of thought there. So yeah, I will keep it going. I will try again, but others might feel that it's a lot better than what I think, or be worse than what I think. But at the moment, it's just not a subject that, I don't know whether it's because of the sheer amount of muscles and the rippling muscles that it was as well. The photo had a tremendous amount of muscles, let's just say that. So, and it was a very difficult pose for me to draw as well. I thought I was going to be able to capture it. Clearly I'm not ready for it, or just wasn't ready today for it. So yeah, the third one, I just thought I'll just go for it, see the basic shapes, and even then, yeah, good learning experience. Quit while you're ahead, and you can always come back to it either 5 minutes, 5 days, 5 hours. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I did try, and the methods that I used were geometric so that I could get the shapes within the shapes, if that makes sense. But still, it just didn't work. But anyway, I'm rambling now. So let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye!